One of these expensive cameras could turn into a useless paperweight after just one accidental slip. And the worst part is, the vast majority of tech reviewers out there are actively hiding this massive flaw from you just to make a quick sale. Let us talk about the ugly truth of shooting in 360 degrees, because physics dictates that the lenses have to bulge outward, making them incredibly vulnerable. With the Insta360 X5, if you happen to scrape it against a rock while hiking, you simply twist off the protective lens guard. Buy a replacement, snap it on in exactly 3 seconds. It is a minor inconvenience at best. But then we look at what DJI did with the Osmo 360, and it is honestly a baffling design choice. DJI made the lens completely fixed to the body. If you get a single scratch, you cannot just replace a guard. You have to send the entire camera back to the manufacturer for a costly, time-consuming repair process. For anyone filming action sports, this is a massive risk you are taking every time you pull the DJI out of your bag. But before you write off the Osmo 360, the hardware they packed inside might actually make that risk worth it for a specific type of creator. DJI squeezed in a massive 1.1-inch sensor capable of shooting 8K video at 50 frames per second in 10-bit DLOG color. In low light or high contrast, the dynamic range on the DJI Osmo 360 noticeably outperformed the Insta360 X5. However, raw image quality is only half the equation. Where the Insta360 X5 dominates is the user experience and physical interface. The X5 features a large vertical touchscreen that makes navigating menus intuitive, whereas the Osmo 360 relies on a much smaller horizontal screen. I am going to reveal a hidden software feature in the Insta360 app that completely changes how you edit these videos in just a moment. So which camera should you actually invest your hard-earned money into today? If your goal is extreme sports, the Insta360 X5 is the practical choice because of those replaceable lenses. If you use the link in the description, it will automatically apply the coupon code INRAA5G at checkout, giving you a discount plus a free gift. The Insta360 X5 gives you the peace of mind to use your camera in harsh environments without stressing about breaking a fixed lens. But what about the DJI Osmo 360? This camera is built for the meticulous creator who prioritizes absolute image quality above all else. If you are shooting in controlled environments, the 10-bit color depth and larger sensor will give you significantly more flexibility. It is also the perfect choice if you use the DJI Mic 2 because the wireless integration is seamless and requires 0 extra receivers. For the cinematic filmmakers, the Osmo 360 is a powerhouse. I've also put the best available link to pick it up in the description. We have covered hardware, but the real deciding factor is actually the AI software inside the Insta360 app. I threw an hour of raw footage at their AI tool and the results were genuinely surprising. You need to see how it works right here.